folks, today's video, what it's going to be is 40 questions. We were tagged by Chuck over at Life with Blenda and Chuck. Great channel, folks. Check them out. It's 40 questions about us. Daniel today will be asking us the questions, and we'll be giving you some answers. Let's get started, Dan.
Do you have any pets?
Yes.
Yep. We got our little girl, Dixie. She's a little mountain-faced, and she's a handful. Then we've got 2 cats that comes and goes. They go back and forth between here and Mom and Dad's. We've got several goats up there. We got the orphanage that we've raised up that's something's happened to their mama or they didn't claim or something there. And then we've got Carolyn's 142 chickens.
Not that many.
Okay. Not that many, folks. Next question, Dan.
Are you in a relationship?
Yes, we are married.
Yep, we're married.
Almost 26 years.
26 years?
Yeah.
What's next, bud?
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
Do you believe in God?
No. When we say we don't drink alcohol, we do make some of the tinctures. We don't drink for...
A little tablespoon.
Yeah.
Not drinking it.
And if we get a bad cold, we'll take it. That's not to drink. Just next question, bud.
Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Hot dogs or hamburgers?
Hamburgers for me.
Hamburgers for me.
What is your favorite food?
Go ahead.
Mine's probably beans and cornbread.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
It's been a while, but we go to Golden Corral or somewhere. Here you come back with this gigantic plate of salad.
But I get beans and cornbread too.
Here, me and Dan, we'll get the meat and stuff, and then you get filled up on salad and a big piece of bread. Just joking. Mine would have to be, I love shrimp, but also steamed shrimp. Well, any kind of shrimp, really. Used to be a place years ago where I used to live, Pizza John's Pizza. Now, if you hear something, folks, that's our little girl Dixie. She's in here making her a bed up. Gosh, it was good pizza, folks. Alrighty, let's move on.
What do you drink in the morning?
Coffee here.
I used to could drink coffee, but I can't no more, so water is mostly what I drink in the morning.
Alrighty.
Can you do 100 push-ups?
Not no more.
Not at one time, probably, but... And it wasn't too many years ago. Used to be able to do probably 100 one-arm push-ups, but... Got older. Out of shape. Next question, bud.
What is your favorite season?
Mine is late spring and early fall.
Mine would probably be about the same. Yep.
I thought you two would favorite season be winter.
No. Hurt too much at wintertime anymore.
Yep.
Favorite hobbies?
Mine would be probably canning and gardening.
Yep. Mine's not the canning. Carolyn's the canner. I like the gardening. We used to go fishing all the time. Out there, we don't.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Do you two have any tattoos?
No.
Glasses?
Yes. Got glasses, but I'm not wearing them right here. I think you can see why.
And I wear glasses to read.
Do you two have any phobias?
I guess mine would be, what's it called, arachnophobia. I'm not big on spiders.
I don't like spiders, but I'm scared of heights.
Do you have any nicknames?
No.
Well, growing up, my granny, she named me Nuki. And that's, my whole family called me that.
What is your favorite candy?
Probably,
The doctor said I'm sweet enough, but if I do eat any, I like chocolate, folks. It's got to lay off of it anymore, but
I guess M&M's would be my favorite.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I have seen stuff that's sort of unexplained. There's some people I worked with seen the same thing. One of them's probably watching this video here. As far as I'll go with it. It's sort of unexplained.
Rain or snow?
If I had to pick rain, don't like either one, but I guess rain.
When I was little, liked snow. Now you've gotten older and you gotta get out in it and feed everything. I guess between the two would be rain.
Piercings?
I had my ears pierced.
Stepped on a nail before, pierced my foot a couple times. But other than that, nope.
What is your age?
How old are you, Shook?
I'll soon be 48.
Seriously?
Tell your age.
What am I? 52? 53? I'll be 53.
You'll be 53.
I'll be 53. I've gotten old enough now to where you forget how old you are.
French fries or onion rings?
I guess mine would be onion rings. I'm not big on either one, but
French fries. Hardee's out here used to have some good onion rings, and they messed up and changed them there, but French fries.
Any children?
Yes.
yes, we have 2 boys.
Don't forget
Daniel?
Dixie.
And
We got 2 boys and 1 little girl.
Yep.
Dixie.
What is your favorite color?
blue.
Yeah. Have to say blue.
Can you whistle?
Yep. I can whistle. Not good, but I can whistle.
Where was you born?
Tennessee.
Well, I was actually born in Maryland, but I don't know. Pop was from down here, Mom was from West Virginia, and I just always loved it down here. And kids at school would laugh, and where are you going to go to? Home, Tennessee. What? I'm here in Tennessee.
Any siblings?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Nope. They took a look at me and said, that's enough for us.
Can you cook?
I cook.
She's a good cook.
Nah,
I cook.
not about that.
Love to cook. Just don't turn out the best at times.
Oh, it does. It's good. Good stuff.
Can you swim?
No.
Yes.
No.
I can swim good enough for myself.
I can swim.
I
with
wouldn't be able to save someone.
I could swim with a floaty. That's about it.
Shower or bath?
Shower.
Shower.
City or nature?
Nature.
Nature. I've done them both, and I'll take nature any day over that.
Are you a good friend?
Like to
Hope
think
so.
so. I've got a lot of good friends.
Do you have any broken bones?
Not
No.
me.
No. Just a lot of pinched nerves and stuff there.
Head concussion.
Yeah, I have. Probably there one day they'll x-ray my head. They'll see a bunch of cracks in it. I've hit my head several times. Used to, it didn't faze me. Now it's sort of.
Do you like to dance?
No.
Don't know how to dance.
Camping or hotel?
Camping.
Camping.
Do you think you are weird?
I don't think so, but I'd say most of the people around me thinks I'm probably weird.
Me too.
How long have you been gardening?
I grew up gardening.
Well, where we lived at up there, Grandma, or well, I'd say Grandma, it's Mom and Dad. We always had tomatoes and everything. We didn't have a lot of room for a lot of stuff, but as soon as we got moved back down here, we've had a big garden ever since, let's see, around 1990, I guess. We've had a big garden. Grandpa always had a big garden.
One thing in your garden.
If you could grow one
Yeah,
thing.
one thing.
Grow one thing. Sure, shit.
Probably tomatoes. Have to have a tomato sandwich.
Tomato. It's versatile. You can make a lot of stuff with tomatoes. Tomato for me, but love green beans. Really like taters.
Mm-hmm.
Really like corn. Now the doctor, he's wanting me to lay off the corn and taters
Me too.
for the carbs. But a tomato, take you a biscuit, mayonnaise. We prefer Dukes.
Yeah.
And take you sausage, salt and pepper.
Can't wait.
Next question, Dan. I'm getting hungry.
What's your grow zone?
Well, when you look up our zip code, it says both 6A and 6B. So we're right in that neighborhood there. Let's see, it was what, 26 degrees 2 mornings ago for 2 days in a row.
Yep.
Up in the little greenhouse, we had to have heaters going, 2 heaters, just to keep it up.
Yep.
There. What else we got, bud?
That's it.
That was it?
That's it.
all.
That flew right by. You all out there probably didn't think did, but Carolyn's going to read off the hashtag here to you, and then we're going to tag some folks in it.
The hashtag is TNOG Getting to Know You Tag. And if I'm not mistaken, it's the New Orleans gardener.
Yep. I believe she was the first one started there.
But Life with Blenda and
Chuck from Life with Blenda and Chuck tagged us. Now, we are going to, if you don't want to do this, that's fine. We're going to tag you. We'd like to hear from you. You know, if you don't want to, that's fine. Alrighty, folks. We're going to tag some people. If you want to do it, that would be great. If you don't, we understand. First one, Flower Folk Farm.
The Presley Girls.
Celebrating Appalachia.
BC Homestead.
Ariel Viking Ventura and Victuals.
Yogi Hollow Farm.
And Littlefoot Ranch. And folks, we'll leave all these links in the description. We'll tag them. And like I said, if you don't want to, that is fine. But like I said, we'd love to hear from you. Folks, have a great day, Lord willing. We'll be seeing you Monday. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe. And thank you again for watching.